to know if it could be the kind of girl you could go down for.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today my video is gonna be an different than usual. Normally I go over natural hair products for afro textured hair. You guys know I do my product reviews and stuff, but today I'm going to be making my way onto the beauty scene, okay? I'm going to be doing a makeup review. So this is me trying to incorporate beauty on my channel because I get a lot of questions all the time. So I am gonna try and answer them in video form, but also in comments. You guys know I always get back to you, so yeah. Today I'm going to be going over the Fenty Beauty Beach Please collection blush highlighter duo, the orange and pink one, okay, because this is the only one I felt like would look good on my skin tone anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna follow the normal structure that I do for hair product reviews, so you guys will see the demo portion and I'm gonna use it like normal and you'll get all of the information. So let's just jump into it. Before we jump into it, take one quick second and go down below and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and thumbs up if you guys like this kind of content on my channel. I am really excited and kind of nervous to do this because you guys know I have my eye condition. It's hard for me to set up everything, but we're gonna try and see how it comes out today. So again, if you like this kind of content, thumbs up and write yes please down below in the comment section so I know to keep doing them or not. So yeah, now let's get into it. Hi guys, so this is the KIllawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo by Fenty Beauty. This is the packaging. I really like it. It's a rose gold metallic look. If you guys are familiar with Fenty Beauty, it normally comes in this white octagon shaped compact, and the one I purchased is the Mimosa Sunrise, that is the orange side, and the Sangria Sunset, that is the fuchsia side. And yes, I know I was holding it upside down, but that's how it looks if you're holding it right side up on the front. This product retails for $36 on the Sephora website and the Fenty Beauty website, and this is what it looks like. It has the mirrored outline around the product, which the original highlighters do not, but I really do like that touch. And this is my tapered e.l.f. blush brush. I do not have the shark tooth shaped brush, but this is a good cheap alternative, girl. Fluffy, cute, and like I said, cheap. So you get 0.12 ounces of product for each side, and this is how it swatches on the brush, and this is how I'm going to apply it to my face. So yes, the orange is going to be up top and the fuchsia is going to be on the bottom, and I'm placing it directly on top of my cheekbone. If you guys want to know where I got my bonnet, link will be down below. Some quick side notes, this product is cruelty free and all of the ingredients will be down below in the description box. Whoa. This is my honest to God reaction. Girl, you need this highlighter. It brought my cheekbone to life. Now at first it was looking a little strong, so I needed to blend it in, but I do like it. So here I'm just taking the same brush and gonna do the other side of my other cheek. And rest assured, if you are looking for creamy, then girl, this is it. The website states that it is a weightless long wear cream powder hybrid highlighter duo with hypermetallic finish, and it says that it is the same creamy formula as the original KIllawatt highlighters, but I definitely feel like this is creamier, just in my opinion, because I do have both. I feel like this one is a lot softer and goes on smoother. And I'm not gonna lie, at first it was looking very rainbowish, so I needed to tone this down. But for the camera, I built it back up just to make sure that you guys could see it. At least for me, I can see it. So let me know how I did with that. But I like it a lot. I think it complements my skin tone a lot. I am wearing the Fenty Beauty foundation in 430. And yes, I am aware it is a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone because I've gotten darker since it's the summer down here in Georgia. So this is what everything is looking like. And I paired it, I know you guys are gonna ask, I paired it with the Saigon Summer by MAC. This is one of their lipsticks, and I thought orange to orange, you know, but the lipstick is a true orange and the highlighter is like a goldfish orange. So that is it. That is everything. I do have other Fenty beauty products. I just wanted to show you guys here that this is the Ginger Binge Moscow Mule original highlighter duo, and this is the new one. Obviously, I do think this formula is creamier, like way creamier and softer, and I'll swatch it here really quick because I feel like on my face maybe it might not show. So these are the swatches on my hand. Hopefully they're showing up true to color. I do not have the best sunlight to work with right now, but the orange is definitely a gold orange, and the pink is definitely a vibrant fuchsia. I feel like there's more reflex in the fuchsia than there is in the orange. The orange just seems like a really pretty burnt goldeny orangey eyeshadow color, but I don't feel like it's a highlighter, but it does come off very gold after I put it on, so that's why I would use it. That's the way I would use it. The fuchsia is a blush in my opinion, but it's very reflecty. I feel like there's definitely some glitter in there, more than in the orange, at least in my opinion. I do think both of them are very pretty. I do think both of them are gorgeous together. You can wear them separately or together. I am not going to do any eye makeup just because I am not good at eye makeup. Y'all, like, the struggle is real, okay? But these are the colors here on my chocolatey skin tone. Y'all know your girl is deeply melanated, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Again, give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you like this kind of content on my channel, because I can also review other products that I have gotten or go out and get some more. So yeah, I am like pretty into makeup. I really like it. I just, again, with the whole filming setup, it's kind of difficult. And it looks like it's about to downpour. Hopefully I built this up enough so that you guys can see it on my cheek. But let me know that down in the comment section as well, like if I need to, you know, build it a little bit more for the camera, because, you know, things can get drowned out with lighting and whatnot. So yeah, this is the final review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of content. Don't forget to check out any of my other social media platforms over here and any of my previous uploads over here. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.